Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to the channel. So I had to re-record this video. Unfortunately, I recorded it last week and it didn't stay recorded. I missed a whole section in the middle, which really infuriated me because I wanted to get it up for you guys before Volume 3. But it's better now because I have spoilers for Volume 3, so I can give you those, as well as review Volume 2 of the TrendMood box. This is the new smash hit of the beauty community. If you want to hear all about Volume 2 and get some sneak peeks for Volume 3, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I want to tell you, I have a producer today. My son is producing me. He's here giving me tips on how to record this video the proper way. He's giggling in the background, so if you hear him, you know, it's all good in the hood. Anyway, we're going to get into TrendMood box. First off, I want to apologize again for having to re-record this. I got through 2 products, and then when I was editing, the whole middle part of the video was just gone. So you know what? We came back, we got our deep pillow spray, we got a little spritz going here. Woosah, we're going to do it again. No worries. By the way, I look a little crazy. I went to the fair tonight with my son. I still got swatches from the Jeffree Star mystery box on my hand, but we're good and we're going with it. So, TrendMood box. What is TrendMood box? This is from TrendMood 1, Sophie, my girl. I want to give you a shout out. Thank you so much for all your support, and I want to support her back by reviewing her box, not only this Volume 2, but her Volume 3. Before I jump into Volume 2, I really do want to talk about Volume 3 spoilers real quick. We just released everything on my Instagram page, lifestyle.ella. I just did full spoilers up to date. We're getting a Juvia's Place palette. There's a purple and a berry one. I put swatches up on that lifestyle.ella Instagram page, or at Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook if you guys like Facebook better. We're getting a lip scrub and balm combo from Glow Recipe. We are getting from Good Molecules some eye patches. And the 4th item is from e.l.f. We're getting 3 separate different types of primer. There's one more spoiler left to go for the Volume 3, and it's coming out real soon. So if you guys aren't already on their email list, I would suggest doing that. Or if you guys don't know, I do post up the password that I get in my email as soon as I get it on my stories on Instagram. So keep an eye out for that. So now that you're caught up with the spoilers, if you guys want to click off, I totally understand. But please subscribe to my channel and stick with me because I've got lots of great content. You're also going to see a Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing soon as well. So actually, it might go up before this one. But subscribe for that, like the video, and now let's get into Volume 2. So I know I'm a little late to the game on this. I've already released my review for it, but I've got some updates for my review anyway on my Instagram page. But I wanted to get into the products. So this one was $54. This is her 2nd installment. This is not per se a subscription box. She does these as she's ready to go. She's done one every month so far, but that can change. She might do multiples in 1 month or miss a month, so on and so forth. So it's not subscription, but it is a monthly box where you can get some really good sales and deals. So I wanted to open this up, but of course it's fighting with me for some ungodly reason. What is going? Oh my God, it's not even taped. All right. We're good. I promise. We're going to get together. So this is what it looks like in the middle. And I wanted to just pause it right here on the Scan Me. There is more information about the products in there if you guys want to take a quick look. It does come in this really awesome royal purple box. The prices do vary on these based on what's in them. So let's take a quick look. This one was an interesting one. And I've got some updates on it. So I want to start off with the eye cream. I've actually tried this Skin Fix now. This is the Skin Fix Barrier Lipid Boost 360 Eye Stimulant Lipicade 360 Poreless Use. I said that all in one try. I should get a cookie. It's a clinically proven to brighten and refresh the eyes by diminishing the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. This is supposed to be like an eye lift in a bottle. I really like this stuff. It's super thick, it's really creamy, and it does a really good job. I haven't noticed major effects yet, but I did just start using this, so let's give it a little bit of time. But I'm really happy for that as product number 1. Product number 2, I just finished up my sample that I did get in Beauty Fix, and this is from Ren Skincare, and this is the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. I gotta tell you guys, this stuff is like a double cleanse in a bottle. It's like the oil remover and the cleanser in one. It doesn't suds up as much as I would love it to, but it does a great job at taking off your makeup. So if you guys are looking for something to get rid of your makeup, this is it. Also, just as a quick side note, not part of this box, but we did get this Deep Sleep Pillow Spray and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or Ultimate, one of those two. And I thought it was really stupid. And I know you're supposed to put it on your pillow before you go to sleep, but I gotta tell you, if you want to calm down, like if you're having a stressful day or you're gonna, record a YouTube video or, something of that nature, spraying this stuff in the air is very like zen-like. So I use this stuff almost like setting spray now. And it smells just like vanilla, not vanilla, lavender. And it's really, really nice. So you know what? I'm sorry that I hated on it. It actually has a purpose. Maybe not a purpose it was intended for, but that's a whole other story. Okay, next product I want to get into is the Sigma X TrendMood Eye Trio. And here's what the brushes look like. They're 3 eye brushes. I might insert a picture, either here or here, of these I took out on the island the other day for the Instagram post, and they came out really nice, so I'll probably do that. You've got an E25 blending brush, a E30 pencil brush, and a tapered blending brush. They're all super useful. They're great brushes. They are white, so they are probably going to stain if you use your red or orange colors. So keep that in mind when you guys use them. I might want to use them with more neutral colors if you want to avoid some of that staining. They're nice. They're not shedding. I've not really used them a ton. I've used this one once and then cleaned it, but I've got no complaints. They are that deep royal purple color that, Sophie loves, so very on trend for her. And these do come, by the way, with the 2-year warranty that Sigma offers on all their brushes. So when you guys do get them, if you have anything wrong with them, you can call Sigma and they will take care of it for you. Whoops, as I dropped one. But these are a great eye trio, so very happy to see that. The next thing I want to talk about is the product that I kind of hated on too fast. And that is the Farsali, and this is the liquid powder. So when I first got this stuff, I literally took it out and I went, oh, okay, let's take a look at it. And I took a big old heap and whop of it and I put it, on my hand and I rubbed it in and I'm like, okay, it's liquid. Now it's in my hand. Now it's like kind of like a gooey, grimy, weird kind of thing. And then what happens is you will see, like if you put it on the hand, that it will turn like a white powder. And I'll just leave it there for a little bit till it does that so I can show you. It does leave like this white powder. So I immediately thought, oh my God, flashback, white visible powder all over my face. Why would Farsali make this? Gotta tell you something though, guys. When you actually put this liquid on your face, and I'm actually wearing it today, over your foundation, it actually dries down, sucks everything together, and nothing budges. This is actually a great product. So I apologize, Farsali, for doubting you. I'm on board now. I like it. No complaints. All right. Last thing is from Dominique Cosmetics. And this is her Latte 2 palette. And one of the cool things about this is she released this palette in the TrendMood box, which is amazing. In fact, a couple of products, are brand new to the market. And that's one thing that Sophie is doing with her boxes is she's bringing the new and now to the boxes as opposed to the old tired stuff that like BoxyCharm and Ipsy does. So that's something I really do love. The Latte 2 is a gorgeous palette. I love this like coffee kind of coloring. The rose gold for Dominique Cosmetics, the Latte 2 and the rose gold. It is just absolutely beautiful. The palette itself is really, really nice. It's got a raised feature to it on the outside. It's kind of like that coffee stain look. And it is all raised front and back. And then, of course, the writing in the rose gold. And the colors, guys, are phenomenal. I have used this palette a couple of times now in getting ready. And I really, really, really like it. The only complaint I do have is they are kind of dusty. But the upside to having dusty is that they are really, really pigmented. And just to show you guys a couple of mattes real quick. And we all know that, mattes historically don't swatch great. And I use some of the really light colors and you can see them. Like, they show up. And something that really shows up are her glitters. Her glitters are, like, really, really, really good. The shimmer glitter ones. So, I'm really, really happy with this palette. I'm going to pop up some full swatches over here or over there, depending on which way it looks better. So, I'm really happy with this palette. The colors are mostly neutral. You got a little bit of a pop of color over here in this corner. But I think this is a very wearable palette, which is something we all kind of need. And it's got some fun in it too. So I'm really happy with this one. And this palette alone, I believe, is either $45 or $49. And yes, I keep looking at my hand because I have a swatch on it. But, if the box was $54 and this is $45 of it, I really think for $9, everything else is worth that. So I'm really happy. I have to congratulate Sophie again on a great idea, a great box. I'm sorry that this went up so late because my filming went haywire, but I would highly recommend that you guys go for volume 3. Like I said, the spoilers I just gave you in the video, but if you want to hop over to my Instagram, I do have pictures of everything up there as well, and when I get the 5th one, I will post that up as well. If you are not already following me, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, hang out with me again. I do lots of unboxings. I talk beauty. I do spoilers. I'm pretty honest about everything because honestly, most of the brands don't know who I am. I happen to know Sophie because I've been following her for a long time and she's been very supportive to me and my own Instagram page. But other than that, none of these brands know who I am. They don't even know I'm alive. So I don't get any special treatment. I don't get things for free. I don't get things sent to me early. So I have no reason to be anything but honest, and that's what I want to bring you guys. The whole reason why I started my Instagram, the whole reason I started my YouTube channel was when I got into beauty, I was on the older side. I wasn't like 15, 20 years old. I went into beauty like well into my 20s, into my 30s, because I really just didn't care about it when I was younger. I wasn't my big priority. But as I got older and I started having issues with my skin and having issues with just aging in general and just wanting to do better, I started taking to YouTube and watching videos. And you know what? Everybody was trying to sell me things and sell me things that weren't going to do me any damn good. And that really frustrated me. And I bought a lot of crap that it just ended up either returning or throwing away that I didn't like. And that's where I started my channel from. I want to give you guys the truth. Whether it's nice, good, great, wonderful, bad, whatever it may end up being, this is what I want to give you, and that is why I started my channel and why I'm so excited. So I want you guys to subscribe to hear more of that stuff. I want you to go ahead and like the video if you like it, unlike it if I didn't do it, or dislike it if I didn't do a great job and you couldn't hear me or whatever else. I did actually get a new microphone, so hopefully that's going to help the situation out a little bit. Make sure you're following me on lifestyle.ella or lifestyle by Ella on Facebook or both, and I'll see you guys in the next one.